Hi kids, welcome to 20 popular vehicles for kids to learn. Are you ready? Let's go! What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a car.
This is a car. A car is a common vehicle used by many families. It carries people on roads every day. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a bus.
This is a bus. A bus is a large vehicle for many passengers. People use it to travel around the city. What vehicle is this?
This is a school bus.
This is a school bus. A school bus takes students to and from school. It is usually big and yellow. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a fire truck.
This is a fire truck. A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. It carries water, ladders, and special equipment. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a police car.
This is a police car. A police car is used by police officers. It helps keep people safe and catch criminals. What vehicle is this?
This is an ambulance.
This is an ambulance. An ambulance takes sick or injured people to the hospital. It moves very fast in emergencies. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a dump truck.
This is a dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, dirt, or rocks. It can lift its back to unload materials. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is an excavator.
This is an excavator. An excavator is a big construction vehicle. It digs large holes in the ground. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a bulldozer.
This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer pushes soil and heavy materials. It is often used at construction sites. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a garbage truck.
This is a garbage truck. A garbage truck collects trash from homes. It helps keep the city clean. What vehicle is this?
Yeah! This is a cement mixer truck.
This is a cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck mixes concrete. It is used to build roads and buildings. What vehicle is this?
This is a tow truck.
This is a tow truck. A tow truck moves broken cars. It helps drivers when their cars stop working. What vehicle is this?
is an ice cream truck.
This is an ice cream truck. An ice cream truck sells ice cream on the street. Children love to hear its music. What vehicle is this?
This is a tractor.
This is a tractor. A tractor is used by farmers. It helps them work on farms. What vehicle is this?
This is a motorcycle.
This is a motorcycle. A motorcycle is a fast vehicle with two wheels. It is smaller than a car. What vehicle is this?
This is a bicycle.
This is a bicycle. A bicycle has two wheels and no engine. People ride it for fun or exercise. What vehicle is this?
This is a motor scooter.
This is a motor scooter. A scooter is a small and light vehicle. Many people use it in busy cities. What vehicle is this?
This is a monster truck.
This is a monster truck. A monster truck is a huge truck with very big wheels. It is popular in exciting truck shows. What vehicle is this?
This is a racing car.
This is a racing car. A race car is designed for high speed. It is used in racing competitions. What vehicle is this?
This is a limousine.
This is a limousine. A limousine is a long and luxury car. People use it for special events. Can you name all 20 vehicles? Let's learn many more vehicle names in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational video.